Over the last 50 years, we have witnessed the fastest growth in technological advancements in the history of mankind. From the first person stepping foot on the moon to the arrival of the global Internet of Things. But behind these great achievements is research. And for 50 years, Inspec has led the way by indexing and delivering abstracts for the world's leading scientific and technical papers, providing support to pioneers across engineering and physical sciences. Our team of indexers review, analyse and categorise research with an expert understanding of its context, making searches far more precise and allowing researchers to find relevant literature quickly and efficiently.
We are in a very fast-moving world, and given the technology is overwriting itself every couple of years, let's say 18 to 24 months, it's very important to be in touch.
By taking the legwork out of the discovery stage, it allows researchers to accelerate their activities, turning research into innovation. Inspec's precise indexing saves time, and more time means more breakthroughs.
Finding relevant literature for my research is very important. The issues when I use any generic search engine is I get results that have more than 60–70%, which I don't even want to see. It becomes really a pain at times. Inspec, you can get in-depth, direct results to what you're finding.
As we enter a new age of engineering, we continue to evolve, supporting the global physics and engineering community to solve new challenges and take the giant leaps needed to explore exciting new frontiers.